Jai Hind students, welcome to physics lecture of grade 9. Last time we were discussing about the concept of speed. This is the one of the simplest concept. Just remember its definition. Speed equals to distance divided by time. Only this you need to remember, ratio of distance to the time. And as far as average speed is concerned, average speed, remember its formula: total distance divided by total time. What this? Total distance upon total time. So this is the formula of the average speed. Speed, distance upon time, and average speed, total distance upon total time. Now let's do a few questions which are based on these formulas. Question number 1: a body covers 100 kilometer in 2 hours. Find its speed. Now here we know that kilometer is a unit of distance. So what here this is given? 100 kilometer is distance, and 2 hours, it is a unit of time. So what 2 hours? It is a unit of time. It is time is given. I have to calculate the speed. So speed, it equals to 100 kilometer divided by 2 hours. So this will be 50 kilometer per hour. I think it's clear to you. Question number 2. Let me increase the level of difficulty. What you are given again, the question of speed. Ram covers 180 kilometer in 2 hours. Find its speed in meter per second. How can I find its speed in meter per second when I'm not given about meter per second? Don't think that this question is difficult. It is one of the easiest questions. Here 180 kilometer is the distance. 2 hours is the time. So what we are given? Distance is 180 kilometer and time is 2 hours. So what will be speed? Speed will be 180 kilometer divided by 2 hours, 90 kilometer per hour. Now convert 90 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Simply multiply this with 5 by 18. 18 5s are 90. So answer is 25 meter per second. Is that clear? Now one more question. Shyam covers 200 70 kilometer in 3 hours, find its speed in SI units. Actually both these questions are same. Why I am repeating this? Because if I give this statement, as far as my experience is telling, almost all students are able to do. But if I give the question in this form, in SI unit, confusion arises. Listen, all of you know that SI unit is meter per second, and here this 270 kilometer is distance and 3 hour is time. Just use the simple formula. So its solution is speed equals to distance divided by time. Distance is 270 kilometer, time is 3 hours. 90 kilometer per hour. 90 multiplied by 5 by 18. 18 5s are 90. It is 25 meter per second. It is 25 meter per second. So meter per second is SI unit. So this is the answer, 25 meter per second. Should we do one more question? Let's do. Next question is, what is the next question? It will be based on the distance. Calculate distance covered by Sita in 3 hours if she is moving, let's use more better word, if she is sitting in car moving with 60 kilometer per hour. Its answer is now I have to calculate this. How can I calculate? Here 3 are what this is? Time, and 60 kilometer per hour is unit of speed. So what this is given? Speed is given. I have to calculate distance. How can I calculate the distance? Listen everyone, here distance I have to calculate, but I know the formula of speed, distance divided by time. So what is distance? It equals to speed multiplied by time. How I get this formula? This time it will go to numerator because of cross multiplication. So distance equal to speed into time. It will go there. So I get distance equal to speed into time. So put up the values. So here distance equals to 60 kilometer, distance equals to speed is 60 kilometer per hour, and how much is the time? 3 hours So r is cancelled from this. So I get the answer of 180 kilometer per hour. I think with that concept of speed is clear, and how we can calculate the distance from the speed and time when they are given. Let me increase the difficulty level in this case. Now again you are given a question that a person moving with 60 kilometer per hour for 18 seconds. Find distance covered. Can you do this? Now it is very clear that kilometer per hour is unit of speed. It is speed, and this is time. So how we can solve this? Again the same concept, distance equals to speed multiplied by time. So speed is 60 kilometer per hour. Per means in division. Remember, k of kilometer is small and time is 18 seconds. This hour and second, they can never be cancelled. But I know that 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. This I know, that 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. That we have done in previous lecture. And it is very simple. If I say 1 kilometer upon 1 hour, it is 1000 meter upon 3600 second, because in 1 kilometer 1000 meters are there, in 1 hour 3600 second. 2 zeros are cancelled, so this is 5/18. So I get the answer 5/18 meter per second. So I can write here as 60 into 5 by 18 meter per second multiplied with 18 second. Second is cancelled from second, 18 is cancelled from 18. So what is the answer? Answer is 300 meter. What is the difference? Here there are two units of the time which are used in question. One is hour, another one is second. To solve the question, units, they must be same. You should not cut hour by second. For that you have to do the proper conversion. Okay, again my next question is, calculate the distance covered if a man moves with 10 meter per second for 2 hours. Again, meter per second means speed, and 2 hours means time. So what is the formula? Distance equals to speed multiplied by time. So here speed is 10 meter per second multiplied by 2 hours. So hour and second, they could not be cancelled. So let's convert hour into second. I know 1 hour is 3600 second. And how many hours are there? 2 hours. So multiplied with the 2 divided by second is cancelled from second. 32 2s are 72. So answer is 72,000 meter. So how you can convert 72,000 meter into kilometer? Divided by 1000. So answer is 72 kilometers. So both are the answers. Next question is, calculate time to cover 100 kilometer with speed of 30 meter per second. What is this given? Kilometer is related with distance, and meter per second means speed. Let's do. Now you know that speed is distance upon time. This implies that time equals to distance divided by speed. Now, what is time? Here, distance is 100 kilometer and speed is 30 meter per second. What I have to do? Convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. So let's convert it into kilometer per hour. Do you know how we can convert? Listen everyone. Here we did 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. Now do the cross multiplication. 18 will move there and 5 will move there. So it will be 18 by 5 kilometer per hour, that is equal to 1 meter per second. So we are having two. One is kilometer per hour conversion this, another one is this. I think clear? So I have to convert it into kilometer per hour. It will be 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Now kilometer is cancelled from this kilometer. 5 6 are 30. Now R is the denominator of denominator. So what will happen? R will be shifted to numerator. And here I am having 100 divided by 6 multiplied by 18. So let us solve this. How much will be this? It is going on to here 50. So this is 50 by 54 hours. Now can you convert it into minutes? You have to multiply with 60 minutes, and how much it will be? It is going on 6, 9, 10. So 500 divided by 9 minutes. Why I did? Because this calculation assumed to be tough, so I converted into minute. 60, I know that it is in the table of 6. So how much will be this? I can now calculate very easily. 9 5s are 45. Again 9 5s are 45. Again 0.55 minutes. So this is how I can calculate. I have calculated the time. Now we have discussed all the three. How can we calculate this? Now let's do one question, some questions of the average speed. What are the questions of the average speed? Let's start with a very simple question. Now a person is moving from A to B. Let us say this distance is 20 kilometer and person takes 1 hour in this. Again he moves B to C and distance here is 60 kilometer. Again person takes 1 hour. My question is calculate average speed. So how can I calculate the average speed? Now what you are given here, average speed it is total distance divided by total time taken. What is total distance here? 20 kilometer distance, 60 kilometer distance. 20 kilometer plus 60 kilometer divided by 1 hour plus 1 hour. So 80 kilometer, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 hours. Answer is 40 kilometer per hour. So I can say 40 kilometer per hour is the average speed. Let us do one more question. Now this question is typical. Understand this question. Be careful. Let us say a body starting from A, it reaches to half of journey with an average speed of 60 kilometer per hour. Now it covers other half of its speed with 80 kilometer per hour. Question is calculate average speed. Half journey with 60 kilometer per hour and remaining half with 80 kilometer per hour. What is its average speed? Now since AB is the half of journey, BC is the half of journey, so what can I say? AB equals to BC, is it? If I say person has covered 40 kilometer, you will agree that up to be 20 kilometer. and from B to C it is again 20 kilometer. But here I am not given any distance, so I am taking it as the x. So this is clear that I have taken it as the x. Now what is the time taken to reach from A to B? Let us say I represent this time as t1. What is the formula of time? Distance upon speed. Distance is x, speed is 60 kilometer, and answer will be in r. Now again, time taken to reach from B to C. Let us say this time is t2, and it will be again total distance upon में average speed. It is 80, so x by 80 r. What is the total time? Let us say t, it equals to t1 plus t2. Add this x by 60, x by 80. So let me add this. So how much will be LCM? 240, 4x plus 3x, 7x by 240. What will be its unit? R. Now what is average speed? Total distance divided by total time. What is total distance? 2x. And what is total time? 7x by 240. And what is total distance? Let us say this is x kilometer. Let's give the range x kilometer. And what is the total time? It is r. Now x is cancelled here, so what I will get? 2 multiplied by 240 divided by 7 kilometer per hour. H is the symbol of r. So this is 480 by 7 kilometer per hour. If you solve this, how it is going? 7 6 are 42, again 60, 7 7s are 49, 8, this is 56, so 68, again 40 is left, so how much it will be? 5, again 50 is coming, again it is 7, 68.57 kilometer per hour. If you have any confusion, you can take your doubts on my WhatsApp, or you can make a call to me. Thank you very much.